Welcome to Culinary Museum, where today we are diving into the irresistible world of Porcini Truffle Mushroom Risotto. This is Chef Mohamed Abdell, and let's start it. So let's start. So first thing, truffle oil. Now we take the black garlic, then black truffle in, porcini mushroom stock, Carnaroli risotto. Now truffle paste, pepper, now butter, mix up, Pecorino cheese, mix up. So now we put the risotto in here. Put porcini mushroom on top. Then now slice truffle on top. And now we remove the ring, just very gentle. So now we explain the dish. We have the truffle risotto, and then porcini mushroom, and then finish it with fresh truffle, black truffle. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey. Now it's your turn to experience the magic of porcini mushroom risotto. Try out the recipe and share your photo in the comment below. Happy cooking, and let's see you in the next time in a Culinary Museum.